Hi there, it's Dev Bilal. Now this is the second video of our header series in which we are going to learn how we can edit, add or remove buttons in the top header section of your Brilliant Directories website. Okay, let's start. This is called the top header section in your Brilliant Directories website. So how you can add or remove these buttons or change this text? You need to go to Toolbox and Menu Manager of your website. Here you will find a header mini nav. If you don't find here, you can come here and click on customize. But we already have it here. We will click on edit. So this is the phone number that is displaying automatically dynamic way. It is coming from the general setting of your website. In the general setting, you have a phone number section. But these are the contact us page and contact us button. This is the contact us page. For example, if you want to change it to events, you can come here and write the URL. The question is how you know that the URL of the events page is this one. So you will find the URLs from two pages. Number one, web page builder. Number two, edit post setting. In the web page builder, you have the URLs. This is the login page and this is the login page URL. The join page and join page URL, about us page URL, contact us page URL, privacy policy URL, terms. So these are the pages about the website. While in this section, edit post setting, you will find the pages of your posts like discussions, member articles. So these are their URLs. Blog article URL, videos page URL, properties page URL, products, and etc. So this is the events page. And if you want to add another button, enter the URL coupons and write here the text that you want to enter. Coupon codes. I will save changes. I will refresh the page. Now our pages are here and they are working perfectly. If you open it, they will open. This is the events page. This is the coupon page. If you want to give them a background color like this one, you can simply click on the settings, copy their CSS class from here. Let's remove this class and paste the same class. Let's copy the CSS class too and remove it and paste it here. Now save changes. Refresh the page. Okay, the events have the same background. So in the next video, we will learn how we can use the phone number or email address in the header section of our website with clickable functionality, and how we can use it in the footer of our website with clickable click to call functionality. If you want to get help with your Brilliant Directories website, you can let us know. We are here to help. Bye bye.